Hello students, I am your SST teacher and today we are starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, Inspiring Indians. So let's begin with a lesson plan first. In this what we will study, we are reading out that Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Bhagat Singh. Now this is the self-survey. Let's see this one first and then we'll begin with the chapter. Identify the pictures of famous Indian personality and answer the following questions. Now you can see who is this person. The person is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Right? Now, describe the contribution made by him to Indian literature and culture. Now, what he was a poet. He played so many dramas also, and there are so many things that he had done in the past. So you can search about it and you can write it on your own. We'll begin with the chapter now. First, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi or Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Now he was born on which date? He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. When he was young, he worked hard. जब वो young थे, he worked very hard. As he grew up, he studied hard and went to England to study law. When he grew up, he studied very hard. He went to London so that he can study law. After that, he became a lawyer. After coming from the England, he became the lawyer and returned to India. Okay. He became lawyer, वो lawyer बने and then he returned to India. Later he became the leader of the common Indians. He guided our country to become free from the Britishers. What did he do? He became the common leader, he became the leader of the common Indians and guided the country to become free from the Britishers. Now, Mahatma Gandhi lived a simple life. He lived a very simple life. He wore simple clothes. He also wore very simple clothes. He ate very simple food. He moved on the path of honesty. He used to move on the path of honesty. Every year we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year. Now, let's come to the next fighter. His name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. He was born at Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Now, what is his birth date? He was born on 14th November 1889. He was born at Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. He is also known as Chacha Nehru. After independence, Nehru ji became the first Prime Minister of India. After the independence of India, Nehru ji became the first Prime Minister of India. He worked for the welfare of our society, or we can say he worked for the welfare of our country. He loved children very much. He used to love children very much. We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. So in that, because he loves children very much, for that we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day on 14th November every year. Now the next leader was he was the very revolutionary leader of the country. His name is Bhagat Singh. He was an iconic Indian revolutionary in the Indian freedom movement. So there was a movement done in the India that was an Indian freedom movement. He was the very iconic Indian revolutionary to be, and his name is Bhagat Singh. He was born in Punjab in 1907. Bhagat Singh was born in Punjab in 1907. His father Krishna Singh was also a freedom fighter. His father Krishna Singh was also a freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh was associated with many revolutionary organizations and played a key role in the Indian nationalist movement. Bhagat Singh played a very important role in the Indian nationalist movement, which was done at the time of independence. On 23rd March 1931, he was hanged with two other important leaders, Rajguru and Sukhdev. On this day, 23rd March 1931, he was hanged till death with the two other very, very important leaders. Those are Rajguru and Sukhdev. Now let's quickly brush up. Mahatma Gandhi lived a very simple life. As we studied that Mahatma Gandhi lived a very simple life. He wore very simple clothes and he ate very simple food. Bhagat Singh was associated with many revolutionary organizations and played a key role in the Indian nationalist movement. As we have studied that Bhagat Singh played a very important role and he participated in the Indian national movement and he played a very, very important role there. Now, it is the practice time. Darken the correct option. Bhagat Singh was born in Punjab. Bhagat Singh was born in Punjab. Dash was the first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Now let's do the fill in the blanks. Mahatma Gandhi lived a very dash life, lived a very simple life. Jawaharlal Nehru was often called as Chacha Nehru. Now, true or false? Rajguru went to England to study law. False. Mahatma Gandhi went to England. We celebrate Gandhiji's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. True. So, this was for your today's class. I hope you understand the session and I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.